Okay, good morning and welcome to Yeshiva YouTube, Iyun Mitzion. Today we're doing Maseches Eiruvin. We just started Perek Aleph, Mishnayos Gimel and Daled. Mishnayos Gimel and Daled talk about the beam, cross beam that you have to put up to identify that this is the end of the mavel. You're going to the Sharabim, so you shouldn't carry it from Shliach to Sharabim. We yesterday in Machlokes Rabbanan and Rabbi Yehuda, is it Mishum Heker or is it Mishum, according to Rav Avadia Bar Tanura, he says Mishum Mechitza. P-ticker yard associated, even though it's lamalam esher lamos, it's like the edge of your roof. It goes down like a mechitza, good akis mechitza, and it's like a wall over there. We explained yesterday. He also agrees that you have heker, but it's just a different way of understanding heker. Now in Mishnah Dalin, Mishnah Gimel, it says how wide the beam has to be, a tefach. That's the halacha. And Mishnah Dalid, it's a machlokas. Rabbanan Rabbi Yehuda, does that have to be strong enough to hold an ariyah, which is a brick of 3 tefachim, right? It has to be wide enough, Mishnah Gimel, but what if it's a very weak, a flimsy beam? Is that good or not? Rabbi Yehuda says no. Rabbanan say yes. I would have said the opposite. According to Rabbi Yehuda, it's like a mechitza, right? It has to be strong, like a wall. It falls down, it's not a wall. According to the Rabbanan, it's just a heker. So who cares if you just see it? Even if it's not strong, it's flimsy. If you see it, that's the point. It just helps you remember this is a mavoi. Don't go any further with carrying something because you might be going to Rosh Hashanah. So I was bothered by this. But then after 10 or 15 minutes, I realized that maybe it does make sense because the lashon of Rabbi Yehuda is pi tikra yorid vasosim. That the way it works, that good achas mechitza, it makes a mechitza, is because according to Rabbi Yehuda, you treat this beam as a roof, right? You treat it as a roof. Right? Pitikra, right? Yored v'sosim. It's the edge of your roof. Now, if it's the edge of your roof, according to Rabbi Yehuda, normally, right, you don't put things on your roof, right? The roof is at the top, right? You don't build on your roof. The roof is the top. So, therefore, we're not worried about putting something. It has to be strong enough to hold something on top of it because a roof is the top. You don't build on top of a roof, right? But according to the Rabbanan, right, who say Mishum Heker, that you might, it should be a remembrance that you're traveling, you're transversing now from Rosh Hashanah to Sharabim. So therefore, if it falls down, right, it's just a heker, it's a flimsy thing. So we don't treat it as a roof. So it's possible, and it has to be within 20 amos, right? Also, it's within 20 amos. So people, it's pretty high, 20 amos, like 30 feet. But a person conceivably could put something on it, so it might fall down. That's the problem according to Rabbanan. It's Mishum Heker. If it's not strong enough, it's very easy, flimsy, it's going to fall down. You're not going to have your heker. But according to Rabbi Yehuda, of course, it's a Mishum Heker also. You can put a 40, 50 amos up, and it's, for that alone makes it, right, right, not likely you're going to put something on top of it. It's so high, it could be 100 amos high. According to Rabbi Yehuda, it's okay. You're probably not going to put something on it. It could be flimsy because you'll still see it. And also the fact that it acts as your roof, right? It's your roof, and even if it's 50 amos high, right, you're still going to be able to see it because it's your roof. You know that this is a wall over here. It's hanging over, either a Suras HaPesach or 2 houses. There's a beam, 2 houses at the end of the block. It's hanging over the houses. So you're going to think, oh, this is a mechitza, this is a wall. But part of thinking it's a wall is the top of the wall is the roof, right? And if it's the roof, you don't put things on the roof. So therefore, you don't have to worry. It's flimsy enough to fall down because normally we treat it as a roof. No one's going to put something on the roof. And second reason also, it could be very high. So it's very hard to put something on top, so you're not going to lose your heker in any case. So for those 2 reasons, Rabbi Yehuda says, you don't have to worry about it being strong. According to the Rabbanan, you do have to worry about it because it might fall down and then you lose your heker. Hope you enjoyed today's share. See you on the next one.